Hello guys, this is Toolbox Tutorials and today I'm gonna show you how to use Canva to join video and sound. Like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and like this video. So let's begin. So first thing we wanna do, we go to videos and let's create something from scratch. Let's do this one. All right, let's select some design so we can work with it. So, okay, let's import this video. Like you can see, this video don't have sound. So what we want to do, we have two options or maybe more. But if you have uploaded a sound, you go to your audios and you select the sound, or you can choose from the elements and you type in, let's say, car sounds, and you select audio and you have everything here ready, like here, or like this one. So let's say, let's use jazz, for example, like music, audio, and let's say we want to import the sound. So you drag it here, drop it, and now you have 5.7 second sound. If you want to expand the sound and match the sound, you can add more pages and the sound is going to expand automatically. So if you do like this also, so the sound is all full and now you have video with the sound. So I hope I helped you and see you next time.